Good morning students. Today I am explaining locus 4 marks important sum. Given points are 2 comma 3 and minus 1 comma 5. Okay, let P x comma y be any point on the locus. Any point on the locus. Okay, P subtends a right angle at origin. Triangle PAB equal to 90 degrees. PA square plus PB square equal to AB square. Okay, PA distance between 2 points, x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square, x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square. AB 2 plus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square. Okay, x minus 2 whole square, x square plus 4 minus 4x plus y square plus 9 minus 6y plus x square plus 1 plus 2x plus y square plus 25 minus 10y. Here 9 plus 4 13. Okay, x square 2x square y square 2y square. Here minus 4x plus 2x, that means minus 2x. Here minus 6y minus 10y minus 16y. Okay, 9 plus 4 9 4 cancel, remaining 1 plus 25 plus 1 26 equal 0. 2 common, x square plus y square minus x minus 8y plus 13 equal 0. Okay, therefore the required equation is, the required locus is x square plus y square minus x minus 8y plus 13 equal 0.